Think coolant leaks are no big deal? Think again. Low coolant levels can cause your engine to overheat, warp critical components, and leave you with a repair bill that'll make your eyes water. And let's be real, nobody wants to cry over their car. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can save you from some serious car trouble: coolant leaks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Coolant leaks? That sounds boring. But trust me, ignoring this could turn your car into a steaming, overheating nightmare. And nobody wants that, right? So stick around because we're going to talk about the symptoms of coolant leaks, how to fix them, and most importantly, how to keep your car engine cool. So friends, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is coolant? Coolant, also known as antifreeze, is the lifeblood of your car's cooling system. It keeps your engine from overheating in the summer and freezing in the winter. But when there's a leak, things can go south real quick. So how do you know if your car is leaking coolant? Let's break it down. The first symptom, that sweet smell. Ever noticed a sweet syrupy smell while driving? It might seem nice at first, like someone's baking cookies, but that's actually the scent of coolant burning off. If you smell this, it's a red flag that coolant is leaking onto hot engine parts. Don't ignore it. Your car isn't a bakery. Symptom 2, puddles under your car. Next time you pull out of your driveway or parking spot, take a quick look at the ground. If you see a puddle of bright green, orange, or pink liquid, that's coolant. It's like your car is crying for help. And trust me, you don't want to leave it sobbing. Symptom 3, your temperature gauge is freaking out. Here's where things get emotional, for your car at least. If your temperature gauge is climbing into the red zone or your check engine light comes on, your engine is overheating. This could be due to low coolant levels from a leak. And let me tell you, an overheating engine is like a ticking time bomb. It's not pretty. Symptom 4, white smoke from the exhaust. Now, if you see white smoke billowing out of your exhaust, it's not your car trying to be a dragon. This could mean coolant is leaking into the combustion chamber. It's a serious issue, and you'll want to address it ASAP. Okay, so you have noticed one or more of these symptoms. What now? Don't panic. Coolant leaks can often be fixed without breaking the bank. But first you need to figure out where the leak is coming from. Let's talk about how to do that. Step 1. Inspect the radiator. The radiator is the most common culprit. Look for cracks, holes, or wet spots. If you see coolant pooling around it, you have found your leak. Step 2. Check the hoses. Coolant hoses can wear out over time. Look for cracks, bulges, or soft spots. If a hose feels squishy or looks damaged, it's time to replace it. Step 3. Examine the water pump. The water pump is like the heart of your cooling system. If it's leaking, you might see coolant around the front of the engine. A faulty water pump needs to be replaced pronto. Step 4. Look at the heater core. If you notice coolant inside your car, like on the floor mats or a foggy windshield, your heater core might be leaking. This one's a bit trickier to fix, but it's doable. Now, if the leak is minor, you might be able to fix it yourself with a radiator sealant. These products can work wonders for small cracks or holes. But remember, this is just a temporary fix. For bigger issues, you'll need to replace the damaged part or take your car to a professional. Here's the thing. Coolant leaks are more than just an inconvenience. They can lead to engine damage, costly repairs, and even leave you stranded on the side of the road. So, if you suspect a leak, don't wait. Address it now. Your car and your wallet will thank you. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.